Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In today's episode, we will be learning how to archive all of your LinkedIn messages at once. In order to archive all of your LinkedIn messages at once, go ahead and open up your LinkedIn app and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the messaging bubble icon at the top right corner. Now, you will then be able to see your inbox. Now go ahead and press and hold a communication tab, and then you will be able to see this kind of a square box appearing right in front of the contact. Simply tap on the boxes you'd like to mark. If you want to mark all of the messages, simply go ahead and check them and make sure all of them are selected. And finally, click on Archive at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to archive all of your messages on LinkedIn. Just like that, your LinkedIn inbox is now tidier with all of your old conversations safely archived. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Apps Academy for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.